नमस्ते बच्चों, हिंदी समय में आप सबका स्वागत। Okay, I had taught you last time how to write k, kh and g, and today we are going to learn a new letter. Okay, but before that, let's just see how we wrote k, kh and g. K, k. Kh, kh. G, g. Today you are going to learn another sound which sounds similar to g, but it is gh. Just like how I told you kh, it comes little deeper. Gh also has to be brought little deeper. Gh, and you write it like this. Gh. Okay. Now I will write and show it to you one more time. You will ask your mama or anyone to take a small chalk piece and write it on its side like this, so that you can do the tracing of it. Okay? थोड़ा मोटा करते हैं. Okay? Now what will you do next? You will take your different colored chalk pieces and you are going to trace over it. Okay, come, let's start tracing. Gh, gh. Gh, gh. Now, if you have done lot of tracing on the slate, you can also use the sand tub. Okay, instead of sandpaper. Now you don't have sandpaper at home to trace this, so you will start tracing in this sand tub. Just take a plate of sand, or you can have a plate of rice also, and then you will trace gh on it. Shall I show you how you trace? You can use 2 fingers to trace. Okay, gh. This way you will be able to practice many times and you will enjoy this tracing. See? Gh. One more time. Gh. Okay? Now, we will look for some words which will have the sound gh in it. Remember, this is not g, this is gh. Okay? What are the words? Come, take a closer look. Come and take a closer look. Gh. Gh say ghadi. Ghadi means clock. Ghadi. Gh say ghar. Ghar means house. Ghar. Say ghar. Ganti. Ganti means bell. Ghanti. Say ghanti. Gh say ghada. Ghada means pot. Ghada. Say ghada. Remember the thirsty crow story? प्यासा कौवा, उसने देखा कि घड़े में थोड़ा सा पानी था. घड़ा. घड़ा. Then घास. G से घास. घास means grass. Grass. Grass means घास. घ से घी. Ghee. Mummy mixes ghee in your dal rice, right? Ghee. Gh से ghee, नेही. से घी. घ से घाटी. Ghati means valley, a very low lying place. Okay? Ghati. Gh से घुटना. Ghutna means knee. Knees. सर, कंधे, घुटने, पैर, घुटने, पैर, घुटना. घुटना. घ. ग से घुटना. ग से घोंसला. घोंसला. घोंसला means nest. घोंसला. घ से घोड़ा. घोड़ा. घ से घोड़ा. लकड़ी की काटी, काटी पे घोड़ा. घोड़ा. घोड़ा means horse. Okay? So, घड़ी, घर, घंटी, घड़ा, घास, घी, घोड़ा, घोंसला, घुटना, घाटी. Okay, children, I will send you flashcards for of these gh words so that you can take a closer look at it and learn. I want you to practice and remember at least these few words, at least 5 or 8 words. Now you will start remembering, learning these words or saying or reciting these words in your rhyme. That is why we are going to sing rhymes and say stories. Okay, like for example, when you came across ghoda, lakdi ki khati, khati pe ghoda, ghoda. Okay, and similarly you would have come across ghada, you would have come across ghar, and anything else? Ghas, because grass, you will be already knowing that ghas, grass, almost similar. So pick up some words which you know and you already have used it and remember it with the sound gh. Okay, so practice reading it, and in your workbook, Hindi workbook, you will be doing page number 19. Okay, please turn to page number 19 and you will find here gh written here, and one more letter that we will not do now, we will do that next week, but for this week let's write only gh. Here you have gh se ghar, घड़ा and घड़ी. ओके, घड़ी. आपके घर में तो घड़ी तो होगी, घर में घड़ी होगी, उसमें समय पक्का देख लेना. घर में घड़ी. ओके, नाउ you practice writing this gh after you have finished tracing in your shadow writing book. Okay, write it in your shadow writing book. So there are 3 steps to writing it. One is you have to do in this, tracing on this. If possible, do trace and write it in the sand tub or your rice plate. Rice means I am not telling cooked rice, the raw rice. And then you will write in your shadow writing book, and then you will come to this one. This whole week you have to be practicing gh. Okay, we will go next week to the new letter, and that time we will revise all of kh to gh. Okay, see you again on Thursday. I will be helping you revise new concept, old concepts, and introduce you to new concepts. Okay, bye bye.